Today we're going to be talking about magnets, but also things that are magnetic. So what's the difference between a magnet and something that's magnetic? I'm going to show you. I've got two magnets, just like your magnet that you've got in your science kit this week. If I pull these apart, I can pull them apart. If I put them close together, they're going to stick, like that. I'll show you again. So magnets have one side that will stick to other magnets, like this. And if I turn one of them around, it's going to repel the other magnet, like this. It's going to push away. They won't go together. I'm trying to push them together, but I can't. They won't go together. If you've got two magnets at home, you could give that one a try. One side will attract, and then turn one of them around, and it will repel. They won't go together. So these are magnets. They are called permanent magnets, which means that they should stay as a magnet. If you put them in a drawer and came back to them in 5 years' time, they would still be a magnet. The only way that you can stop a magnet being a magnet is to drop it on the floor really, really hard, or to make it really, really hot. If you put it in a fire, it might stop being a magnet. So we're not going to do either of those two things. If you drop your magnet on the floor accidentally, it doesn't matter too much, but try not to do it too often, because it might make your magnet less powerful. Now I've also got here a paperclip, like this. Now this paperclip is magnetic. It's not a magnet, so that means that it won't stick to other paperclips. If I put these together, they don't stick together. They're not attracting. And it also won't repel. But if I put something magnetic next to a magnet, it will stick, like this. And it sticks on there, like that. It works on both sides. So because this isn't a magnet, all of it will attract. There isn't a side that repels, like there was when we put the two magnets together. I've got some scissors here as well. They're magnetic too. I can stick the magnet onto them, and they will stick. But they're not a magnet, which means they don't stick to the paperclip, or they wouldn't stick to other scissors. So the main difference is that magnets stick to themselves and to magnetic things, and also they have one side that attracts and one side that repels. Something that's magnetic will stick to a magnet, but it will stick on both sides, it won't repel, and it also won't stick to other magnetic things. So that's how we know that these are not magnets, because they won't stick to each other, but we know they're magnetic because they will stick to a magnet.